Hi guys, I'm Victor. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a broken rod on your Hobie Mirage or 180 kayak pedal drive. Recently my buddy and I went fishing for red drums and it was a great day, everything was going well until I accidentally ran at full speed into a really shallow spot and one of the rods on my pedal drive just broke off. This happened to me before, but in the past the rod would simply bend and I would just simply straighten it up and it was good to go again. But I guess at this point the metal lost its strength and the rod simply snapped. I thought not a big deal, I'm just gonna extract the broken piece from the sprocket and buy a brand new rod. By the way, if you'd like to see how to extract the broken piece from the sprocket, check out my other video. The link will be up on the screen or in the description area below. I bought a brand new rod online, but for some reason it didn't fit my pedal drive and I had to return it. Then I took my drive and went to a local Hobie dealer store and we tried everything that they have in stock, but none of them would fit. After not having too much luck finding a replacement rod, I decided to fix my broken one, because only the very top of it broke off and I still had enough length to make it work. So what you can do is get one of these rethread toolkits, get the right size tool, and cut brand new thread on top of the rod. I asked my dad, who is a mechanic, and he had one of those kits at work, so he helped me out with this. You can also check with your local mechanic and see if they can do that for you. Otherwise you can buy this kit online. And if you're interested, I'm going to post a link in the description area below. The newly cut thread was perfect fit for my drive, and I was back on the water in no time. Alright, I hope this video will give you some good ideas if you find yourself in a similar situation. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.